Our next performance is the zither, or 古筝.
Have you ever seen a Western harp? Well, the zither, or the Chinese harp, is a little different. It is horizontal rather than vertical.
And the Western harp has 7 tones, while the zither usually only has 5. But about 2,500 years ago, when it originated in the Warring States period and became well known in the Qing dynasty, the zither had anywhere from 4 to 9 tones.
Oh, that's right. Back then, mostly herdsmen used it, and they would pluck the strings to produce sounds. Originally, the strings were made of silk, but today, the strings are made of metal. So exactly how many strings does it have?
It used to have 18 strings, but in 1961, the 21-string 古筝 was introduced.
Wow! But how would you play with only 10 fingers?
Well, actually, each hand must play 21 tones. The harp is divided into a left and right section. On the right side, you pluck the strings. On the left side, you bend the strings to change pitch or to provide embellishments.
So it's like a vibrato on a violin.
Exactly.
My grandmother has a guzheng in her living room, but she wouldn't let me touch it. She said the bridges would move. Why is that?
That's because the position of the bridge determines the harp's pitch, and by moving the bridge, you can tune the harp.
Oh, okay, I get it. But I have another question. She also said that she needed long fingernails to play the zither. What's that all about?
People need long fingernails to pluck the strings.
What happens if you don't have long fingernails?
Well, I would tape on fake ones. People used to tape on things like turtle shells to their fingers, although it is much harder to play with fake fingernails.
That's so interesting. Well, let's see how a player manages the instrument.
Here is the Zither Club playing The Little Girl's Doll and Wish You Happiness.